If you like to have attractive collarbones and shoulders, this video is for you. The exercises are very simple and anyone can do them and get results. The first exercise. Move your shoulders in circular motions. Like me, try to use all your shoulder and neck muscles to get results in the shortest time. This simple and convenient exercise is very important. It is enough to do this exercise for 30 seconds. You can help me a lot with just one click and like. Please like the video. Thank you for giving me energy with likes. The second exercise. This is one of the easiest exercises. Put one of your hands in front like me and bend your other hand. And you don't have to do anything anymore. Put your hands in this position for 30 seconds. The third exercise. Slowly raise your head as high as you can and then slowly lower it as low as possible. Please don't rush this exercise. It's not a dangerous exercise, but it's better to do it at a slow speed. Do this exercise like any other exercise for 30 seconds. The fourth exercise. Place your hand on your head and slowly bend your head in the same direction as your hand. This is a very important and very effective exercise. This exercise is very easy. Just try it now and you will see that it is not difficult at all. The fifth exercise. Make fists and then raise your shoulders. You can take deep breaths to do this exercise easily. This exercise is very good for making the head and collarbone attractive. Therefore, you can do this exercise for up to 1 minute. The sixth exercise. Place your hands behind your neck. Now move your elbows like me. This movement makes you reach the result as soon as possible. And the result is faster. Do this exercise like any other exercise for 30 seconds. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. Thank you for giving me energy with likes. We are human with any race.